Hey friends, today we're going to be working on fractions with a number line. You can use a number line to model fractions. This number line shows one whole as the length between 0 and 1. One whole can be divided into equal parts or fractions. Let's take a closer look. If Lewis cut a plank of wood into 3 equal pieces, each piece is 1/3 of the whole plank. Show 1/3 on a number line. So we're going to use the strategy and use fraction strips to mark equal parts on the number line. So first we're going to draw our number line where we have 0 and 1, okay? And we're going to match the length from 0 to 1 with a fraction strip. Then we're going to divide that number into equal parts. How many parts does it say? Let's look at that denominator to help us, 3. So this one's going to be 1/3, this one's going to be 1/3, and this one's going to be 1/3. So we're going to show 1/3 on the number line, and we're going to ring the length from 0 to 1/3, okay? Ring just means like circle. And then we're going to write that fraction for that length. So we're going to have 1 as the numerator because it's one part, and the denominator is going to be 3 because there are 3, 1, 2, 3 total parts. Let's also practice with showing 3/4 on a number line. So instead of 3 like thirds, like the last one, we're going to actually have 4 parts. We're going to look at that denominator where it tells us how many equal parts there are. There's 4. So we're going to have a 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. We're going to ring at 0 and ring that first equal part. And then we're going to not just do 1, we're going to have to do 3 of them. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 3 parts of 1/4. So the number line in step 2 shows 3/4. Let's practice a little bit more. So we have 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to put a dot on 1/3. So on the first one, there's 1. 4/4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4/4. So that we would put the dot there. 4/6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also do hops if it will help you to see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we're doing 6, 6. And remember, any time the number is 6 over 6 or 4 over 4, it's equal that equals 1 whole. And we have 2/3, and then 3/6. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 halves. 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3/6. 1, 2, 3. And in 0/3, we would mark that 0. All right, guys, continue practicing those fractions for homework tonight. We'll continue practicing some more in class together. Bye.